$11,000 to $34,000 is what this channel makes with just YouTube ad revenue monthly. They achieved all this in just a matter of months. They signed up on November 16th, and right now they have 158k subs, over 11 million views with just 43 videos. This channel is blowing up with every video. Why? There are thousands of psychology channels out there, so why this one? The secret is their branding and their slow-paced script. They have same character over every video, so you relate to the character, you remember it, and the script keeps you engaged. So why are we here today? Today I'm just gonna show you that you can do the same. If you just spend a few minutes a day consistently over the next few months, you can build an asset for yourself as well and connect with hundreds of thousands of people on YouTube and make money. It's gonna take a few minutes every day just to create one video, and AI is going to do the heavy lifting for you. I'm not gonna speak any more nonsense just to increase my watch time, so let's just jump into how to do it. So to make it easier for you, I have attached a Google Doc in the description of the video that has a prompt to pretty much every step of the video, from thumbnail to banner to script and titles. So just copy the first prompt first, put it in ChatGPT. It'll give you a lot of titles. If you don't like it, repeat the prompt, get newer names. Number 2 is to create a display picture for your YouTube channel. So just copy the prompt for that and put it in ChatGPT. Once you have your display picture, just copy the prompt for banner and put it in ChatGPT, and ChatGPT will create a sample banner for you as well. And you can use Canva to add text on it, and I'll also show you how to do it towards the later steps. So from the list of the titles ChatGPT gave me, the title I chose is The Psychology of People Who Love to Stay at Home. So just copy the script prompt now and follow the instructions on it, and you'll get a brand new script. Once your script is ready, you have to make sure that you read it completely, make any improvements if you think, correct any mistakes where it seems boring. So now that you have your script, the next step is to actually create the visuals for the video. So just copy the prompt for the images and put it in ChatGPT. It'll create a prompt for each scene of the video. And just go to Google, write Whisk, and use Whisk AI from Google to create these images. This is free right now, so you can create free images from Google Whisk. Just click on enter the tool, and it will bring you in an interface like this. Go to the left navigation menu on the top, upload your character's photo there. The reason we do it is because we want to get consistent results for our character. Each image needs to have the same character. So what this does is basically lock in that character, so each of your generations have the same character in it. Now you can just copy and paste the prompt one by one, or just as a bonus tip, you can use this Google extension that has ability to create all of these images in one go. It's called AutoWhisk. You just have to install the extension in your browser and just paste all the prompts all together. If you want a complete tutorial on this extension, just write auto in the comments and I'll do that for you. You can also create animations from Whisk as well, but it's limited to 8 generations a month, I think. There are also free alternatives. You have to comment for that. Comment if you need a free alternative and I'll answer you in the comments. To create the audio, let's go to 11 Labs. It's the top one out there. It's paid, but there are free alternatives as well. So you can use Speechma. There's also Google AI Lab, which has very good audio generation, and even 11 Labs gives you 10,000 credits a month, so you can create around 10 minutes of audio from it. Okay, now that we have all the ingredients, let's take our video to CapCut. Just do some basic editing, stack the images based on your audio, add transition, add captions, edit the captions a little bit, and this is the final result.
Let me tell you something weird. Some people don't stay home because they're lazy. They stay home because the outside world is too loud for their brain. And if you're one of those people, this video is going to feel personal.
And this is with just a few minutes of basic editing. You can do a lot more with CapCut. Now the final thing is thumbnail. So I'm going to use Canva for that. Canva is free, so just go there, drag one of the images that you think is best suited for it, put that image, grab the text tool, create a text box, and give it an outer glow with a decent contrast, and that's it. We are ready to upload our first video. Now when you're about to upload your first video, take inspiration from your competitors, look at the keywords that they are using, and you can use tools like Google Trends, vidIQ, or Social Blade to identify top keywords and just add a few of the top ranking ones. Don't stuff your videos with keywords, that is not healthy. What YouTube cares about is the quality of the video, not the quantity of the keywords. And do this consistently for next 60 to 90 days. Think of unique ideas that are not there. You don't have to worry about niche saturation. So more people watching a niche is actually a good sign that they will watch your video as well. The only thing you need is to add effort in your video. That's it for today's tutorial. If you liked it, leave a like, subscribe, leave a comment about what you want to learn next. Is it anything related to this niche? Do you want to know something about another niche, another tool? Do you want to know about free AI tools to replace the paid ones? Just leave a comment.